Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. Answer these questions. Am I here at 7 o'clock? Am I here at sunrise? Am I at the bus stop? Am I at the door? Am I at the bottom of the hill? Am I at the end of the road? Am I at the entrance? Am I at the crossroads? Am I at the front desk? Am I here in the summer? Am I in the garden? Am I in Maharashtra? Am I in the party? Am I in the market? Am I in the office? Am I in a building? Am I in a car? Am I on holidays? Am I on terrace? Am I on the ground? Subscribe channel and share this video.